In this video, I'll show you one SBA promo code to use for betting. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you're looking for a promo code to use for betting on OneXBet, this is exactly what you should do. First thing, come over to this page after downloading the OneXBet app and click on registration. Take the third option that says by email because this is the only option that is going to allow you to receive a OneXBet promo code bonus. Once you're done, fill your surname, your name, and your country. You're going to choose your country from wherever you are from. When you choose your country, you're going to fill your region, your date of birth, your email address, and your phone number. Then you create a password using these four requirements. After creating your password, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300 immediately. And once that's done, you're going to hit these three boxes and then register. After registering, you're going to complete your first deposit immediately and then you receive your bonus. And this is the best promo code to use for betting.